Firstly, the test fixture is weighted without the test dummy on top. Then soon after, the test dummy is placed on top of the test fixture to measure the overall weight. After obtaining the weight of the two, the test dummy is loaded with metal slabs so as to give it a weight of 100 kilograms. After recording the total weight of the test fixture and the test dummy, then the center of gravity of the test dummy and the test fixture is determined. The method employed is the balance method from ISO 7176-11, Annex A. The next procedure is the testbed setup, with the first step measuring the distance between the center of the rear wall to the center of the front casters. The selection and sampling of the test specimen is done exclusively by the manufacturer, who then provides a record or document showing the criteria followed in this selection and sampling process. The measured wheelbase is then used to set the distance between drums, so that the center of the wheels is set directly above the center of the drums. The next step is drum slide selection, and the height of the slats is obtained from the standard ISO 7176-8. Drum speed measurement is the last step for the testbed setup, and the speed of the reference drum is measured using a tachometer. After recording the drum speed, the revolution counter is set to 0. Once the testbed is set up, the next procedure will be the wheelchair setup, where the wheelchair is attached to the testbed using procedures from ISO 7176-22 setup procedures, where the attachment arm specifications are obtained from ISO 7176-8. The longitudinal stiffness of the attachment arms is 100 newtons per meter, and the attachment arms are attached so that they are parallel to the ground or within a tolerance of plus or minus 10 degrees. And next, the test dummy is placed on top of the wheelchair. Firstly, the loading pads are attached to the wheelchair. This includes the foam cushion in blue of thickness 30 millimeters, and the loading plates, which is the torso and the thigh loading plates, which are set up according to the standard ISO 7176-11 setup procedures for test dummies. Then next, the foot plate is adjusted so as to give support to the dummy legs. The next step is to add weighted blocks to the test dummy to give an overall weight of 100 kilograms. The weight proportion of the torso to the thigh is obtained from the standard ISO 7176-11. Soon after the test dummy is secured, the safety system is connected. This is a system that cuts off power to the electric motor in the event that the chair or the dummy are off center position. Frequent checks are carried out to make sure that everything is in position before testing. Once that has been done, the test bed is then caged off for further safety reasons. Then finally, the chain guard is also put in place. After running a series of safety checks, the test is now ready to begin.